big show like Vin Diesel. I'm going straight beast mode, fast and the furious. The ugliest of rappers has returned. Motherfuckers getting hurt, we gon' let the fire burn. I'm turning the fuck up, so what's up with y'all? We must rise up together, divided we fall. Break down the walls, let's start the revolution. If you're feeling useless, here's your solution. Join the movement, become a pirate. We ride and die with sex, drugs and violence. Here come the sirens, but I'm not alarmed. Heavily armed with devastating bombs doing damage. You claim to be young, dumb and having fun. I'm like, whatever son, you're talking to a clever one. And when it's said and done, the gun smoke clears. I'll be the last man standing doing damage up in here. I'ma have a couple beers and show a piece of what I'm made of. Cut from the same cloth, monsters you're afraid of. Running chainsaw, coming for your backbone. Give me respect, homes, you enter in the dead zone. I wanna get stoned, so hold me past that. Fuck around, you might end up in the trash bag. Take your last breath and start running. Better believe there's a revolution coming. Join the movement, become a pirate. We ride and die with sex, drugs and violence. Here come the sirens, but I'm not alarmed. Heavily armed with devastating bombs doing damage.